everybody. How was your weekend? Do you do anything nice? I guess you miss your friends very much, but don't be sad. I believe you will see them very soon. Welcome back to the listening class for flyers. Before we start the lesson, let's listen to a funny song.
Tony. World capitals. World capitals. Ottawa of Canada, Havana of Cuba, Washington D.C., USA, Mexico City, Mexico, Brasilia of Brazil, Santiago of Chile, Montevideo, Uruguay, Lima of Peru, Paris, France, Berlin, Germany, Rome of Italy, London, England, Bern, Switzerland, Madrid of Spain, Athens of Greece, Prague of Czech Republic, Amsterdam of Netherlands, Moscow of Russia. World capitals. World capitals. Seoul, Korea, Tokyo, Japan, Singapore of Singapore, Beijing, China, Bangkok, Thailand, Kathmandu of Nepal, New Delhi, India, Naypyidaw of Myanmar, Hanoi of Vietnam, Manila, Philippines, Canberra of Australia, Wellington, New Zealand, Accra of Ghana, Kampala of Uganda, Dakar of Senegal, Rabat of Morocco, Abuja of Nigeria, Nairobi, Kenya. World capitals. Yay!
After listening to the song, can you guess what we're going to study today? That's right. Today we're going to study Unit 9, Cities Around the World, pages 61 and 62. Are you ready for the first part? It's conversation time. Now, let's take a look at some vocabulary. Look at this picture. What can you see? You can see the planes, right? And they are from one company. Can you tell me the name of the company? That's right. It's Vietnam Airlines. We have the word airline. Airline means a company that provides regular flights to take passengers and goods to different places. Now, let's listen and repeat.
Airline.
One more time.
Airline.
Good. Look at this picture. There are many countries around the world, right? If you go to one of these countries, that means you go abroad. We have the word abroad. Abroad means in or to a foreign country. Now, let's listen and repeat.
Abroad.
One more time.
Abroad.
Well done. Have you ever been abroad? Which country? Tell me about it. Now we have one synonym of abroad. Can you guess? It's overseas. Overseas means in, from, or to countries that are across the sea. Now let's listen and repeat.
Overseas.
One more time.
Overseas.
Good. Remember, we have the letter S here. Overseas. Now look at this picture. The man over here, he is sitting in an airplane and he is doing something with the machine. He is a pilot? A pilot means a person who operates the controls of an airplane. Do you want to be a pilot? Now, let's listen and repeat.
Pilot.
One more time.
Pilot.
Good. How about this picture? This person over here, who is he? He is a pilot. How about this person? He is a co-pilot. We have the word co-pilot. It means a second pilot who helps the main pilot in an airplane. So, they work together to make sure they don't make any mistakes. Now, let's listen and repeat.
Co-pilot,
One more time.
co-pilot,
Excellent. Now, we are going to listen to a conversation between a girl and Captain West.
Listening 36.
A. Listen and repeat. Point to the speakers, then listen again.
Number 1.
Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
Number 2.
How many female pilots work for your airline?
I think 1/3 of the pilots are female.
Number 3.
Do you ever fly abroad?
Yes. I have an overseas flight once a month.
Number 4.
Do you fly the plane by yourself?
No. I always have a co-pilot.
Number 5.
Do you like being a pilot?
Yes, very much.
Number 6.
Thanks for your time, Captain West.
Pleasure.
Now listen again.
Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
How many female pilots work for your airline?
I think 1/3 of the pilots are female.
Do you ever fly abroad?
Yes. I have an overseas flight once a month.
Do you fly the plane by yourself?
No. I always have a co-pilot.
Do you like being a pilot?
Yes, very much.
Thanks for your time, Captain West.
My pleasure.
It's time to listen and answer the questions. Let's read the questions with me first. Number 1. Who are they interviewing? Number 2. How many female pilots work for Captain West's airline? Number 3. How often does the pilot fly overseas? Number 4. Who flies the plane with the pilot? And number 5. Does Captain West like her job? Let's listen to question number 1.
Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, one more time.
Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
Have you got the answer? It's Captain West. So, they are interviewing Captain West. Great job. Number 2.
How many female pilots work for your airline?
I think 1/3 of the pilots are female.
One more time.
How many female pilots work for your airline?
I think 1/3 of the pilots are female.
Can you say the answer out loud? It's 1/3 of the pilots. Can you see the question words here? How many? So the answer should be 1/3 of the pilots. Okay, number 3.
Do you ever fly abroad?
Yes. I have an overseas flight once a month.
One more time.
Do you ever fly abroad?
Yes. I have an overseas flight once a month.
Have you got the answer? It's once a month. What can you hear? I have an overseas flight once a month. Excellent. Number 4.
Do you fly the plane by yourself?
No. I always have a co-pilot.
One more time.
Do you fly the plane by yourself?
No. I always have a co-pilot.
The answer is a co-pilot. Is your answer correct? Excellent. Number 5.
Do you like being a pilot?
Yes, very much.
One more time.
Do you like being a pilot?
Yes, very much.
Easy, right? Yes or no? Yes, she does. She likes her job very much. The next activity is listen and fill in the blanks. Have you all got papers and pencils? Great, let's start.
Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
One more time.
Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. It's interview. Is your answer correct? Good. Number 2.
How many female pilots work for your airline?
One more time.
How many female pilots work for your airline?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is airline. Great job. Number 3.
I think 1/3 of the pilots are female.
Is it clear? One more time.
I think 1/3 of the pilots are female.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you say the answer out loud? It's pilots. Excellent. Remember the letter S here. It's pilots. Number 4.
Do you ever fly abroad?
Did you get it? One more time.
Do you ever fly abroad?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. It's abroad. Well done. Now, let's listen to number 5.
Yes. I have an overseas flight once a month.
One more time.
Yes. I have an overseas flight once a month.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is overseas. Good job. Remember, we have letter S here. Number 6.
Do you fly the plane by yourself?
No. I always have a co-pilot.
One more time.
Do you fly the plane by yourself?
No. I always have a co-pilot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is co-pilot. Well done. Number 7.
Do you like being a pilot?
Yes, very much.
One more time.
Do you like being a pilot?
Yes, very much.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your answer? Pilots. Is it correct? Excellent. Number 8.
Thanks for your time, Captain West.
My pleasure.
Is it clear? One more time.
Thanks for your time, Captain West.
My pleasure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. It's pleasure. Be careful with the spelling, okay? Are you ready for the next part? Is work time. Look at this picture. Where is this place? Can you tell me the name of the city? Can you guess? That's right. It's Rome. Rome. Let's listen and repeat.
Rome,
One more time.
Rome,
Good. Rome is the capital city of Italy. How about this picture? Can you guess? I see cherry blossom and a tower. It's the Tokyo Tower. So this place is Tokyo. Good job. Let's listen and repeat.
Tokyo.
One more time.
Tokyo.
Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. Right. How about this place? Does it look familiar to you? It's the Eiffel Tower, right? So the name of the city is Paris. Let's listen and repeat.
Paris,
One more time.
Paris,
Good. Paris is the capital city of France. How about this place? What is this? It's a pyramid, right? Where can you see the pyramid? You can see the pyramid in Cairo. So, the name of the city is Cairo. Let's listen and repeat.
Cairo.
One more time.
Cairo.
Good. Cairo is the capital city of Egypt. Look at this picture. Do you know this place? It's the Golden Gate Bridge, right? And it is in San Francisco. That's right, San Francisco. Let's listen and repeat.
San Francisco,
One more time.
San Francisco,
Good job. San Francisco is in the United States. Look at this picture. It's the Big Ben Tower, right? It is also known as the Clock Tower. Do you know where it is? It's in London. That's right. Let's listen and repeat.
London,
One more time.
London,
Good. London is the capital city of England. This one is easy, right? Can you see the Statue of Liberty here? So the name of the city is New York. Listen and repeat.
New York,
One more time.
New York,
Good job. How about this place? Can you see the beach? Can you guess? The name of the city is Hawaii? Very close, but it's not correct. It's Honolulu. Let's listen and repeat.
Honolulu,
Honolulu.
Honolulu.
Good job. The next one. Does this place look familiar to you? I can hear some of you say Beijing. Good guess. But it's not the answer. It's actually Hong Kong. Very good. Let's listen and repeat.
Hong Kong,
One more time.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong is in China, right? Okay. The next one. This one is very easy. This girl is wearing hanbok. It's a traditional clothing of Korean. So, can you tell me the name of the city? It's Seoul. That's right, Seoul. This word is a little bit difficult to pronounce, so be careful.
Seoul,
One more time.
Seoul.
Good. Now, let's listen and repeat.
Listening 37.
A. Listen and repeat.
Number 1.
Rome,
Number 2.
Cairo,
Number 3.
Tokyo,
Number 4.
London,
Number 5.
Seoul,
Number 6.
New York City,
Number 7.
Paris,
Number 8.
Honolulu,
Number 9.
San Francisco,
Number 10.
Hong Kong.
You did a great job. Now, let's listen, write, and match the cities to the countries. Number 1.
Paris,
One more time.
Paris.
So the name of the city is Paris, and the country is France, right? Good job. Number 2.
Tokyo,
One more time.
Tokyo.
Have you got the answer? This word right here is Tokyo, and the city is England? No, it's Japan. Good job. Number 3.
Cairo,
One more time.
Cairo.
So the name of the city is Cairo. And which country does Cairo belong to? England? No, it's Egypt. Good. Number 4.
Seoul,
One more time.
Seoul.
Can you hear it? It's Seoul. And the country is Korea, right? The last one.
London,
One more time.
London.
The name of the city is London. And the country is England. Great. So now I have a small game for you. It is called Guess the Names of the Cities. Let's guess. The first one. Have you got the answer? It's Hong Kong. Good job. The next one. Oh, it's the capital city of Italy. It's Rome. The name of the city is Rome. Good job. I see the Golden Gate Bridge. The answer is San Francisco. Right? San Francisco, very good. This one is easy, right? New York City. This is the last one. It's Seoul. Excellent, Seoul. Now it's time for homework. The first one, you need to learn by heart the vocabulary. And the second one, you need to find more cities of countries around the world. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time and remember to finish all the homework. Okay? Bye-bye.